Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the latest and greatest dash cam on a budget. Get ready as we dive into the top 8 best budget AliExpress dash cam. All the links of the dash cam are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the revolutionary 70mm dash cam Omni X200. Capture every moment from every angle with the 70mm dash cam Omni X200, the ultimate companion for your journeys. Featuring a 360 degrees full view capability, this advanced dash cam ensures you won't miss a single detail on the road. With its built-in GPS, you'll have accurate location data at your fingertips. The 70mm dash cam Omni X200 takes safety seriously with its ADAS functionality, providing real-time alerts to keep you aware and focused on the road ahead. Equipped with the state-of-the-art 70mm DVR X200 camera, it captures high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. Worried about your parked car? The 70mm dash cam Omni X200's 24-hour parking monitor ensures that any potential incidents are captured, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to memory card issues. The 70mm dash cam Omni X200 comes with reliable MC storage, providing ample space for your recordings. The AI motion detection feature intelligently detects and records any movement around your vehicle, safeguarding your car from unexpected events. Installing the 70mm dash cam Omni X200 is quick and easy. Simply mount it on your windshield using the included bracket, and it's ready to go. Whether it's capturing breathtaking scenery, monitoring your car's surroundings, or providing evidence in case of an accident, the 70mm dash cam Omni X200 has got you covered. Upgrade your driving experience with the 70mm dash cam Omni X200. Get yours today. Introducing the AZDOME M550 3-channel dash cam, the ultimate companion for capturing every moment on the road. With its advanced features and high-quality recording capabilities, the AZDOME M550 is designed to provide you with peace of mind and enhance your driving experience. This 3-channel dashcam system offers front, inside, and rear camera coverage, ensuring that you capture every angle of your journey. Equipped with a 4K plus 1080p dual-channel configuration, the AZDOME M550 delivers stunningly detailed footage, allowing you to relive your adventures in vivid clarity. The built-in GPS module provides accurate location information so you can keep track of your routes and easily access important data when needed. Stay connected at all times with the AZDOME M550's Wi-Fi capability. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you'll have instant access to your recordings and settings. Even in the darkest of nights, the AZDOME M550 ensures optimal visibility with its infrared night vision technology. Drive with confidence, knowing that you're always protected. Whether you're on a long road trip or simply navigating through city streets, the AZDOME M550 is there to capture all the important moments. Its various recording modes, including parking mode, guarantee that nothing goes unnoticed. The AZDOME M550 3-channel dashcam offers the perfect combination of performance, convenience, and reliability. Safeguard yourself and your loved ones on the road with the ultimate dashcam experience. AZDOME, redefining safety for the modern driver. Introducing the dash camera for Porsche, the ultimate accessory to enhance your driving experience. Designed specifically for Porsche Cayenne and Panamera, Macan, Taycan, Cayman, 911 Turbo, and 718 Boxster models, the dash camera is the perfect addition to your luxury vehicle. With its seamless integration, the dash camera becomes an integral part of your Porsche's interior, blending effortlessly with the elegant design aesthetics. Capture every moment on the road with stunning clarity. The high-definition camera lens ensures crystal-clear video recordings, allowing you to relive your adventures or provide evidence in case of unforeseen incidents. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the dash camera offers a range of features to enhance your safety and convenience. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your speed and location, providing valuable data for your journeys. Its G-sensor detects sudden movements or collisions, automatically saving and locking the footage to ensure crucial evidence is preserved. Never miss a detail with the dash camera's wide-angle lens. It captures a broader view of the road, minimizing blind spots and giving you a comprehensive perspective of your surroundings. Operating the dash camera is effortless. The intuitive user interface and touchscreen display make navigating through settings and reviewing footage a breeze, even while on the move. The dash camera comes complete with a range of accessories to enhance your experience. The adjustable mount ensures a perfect fit for your Porsche's windshield, while the power cable seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's power source. Drive confidently day or night. The dash camera's advanced low-light capabilities ensure clear recordings even in dark or poorly lit environments. Elevate your Porsche driving experience with the dash camera. Never miss a moment on the road and enjoy peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable witness by your side. Introducing the AZDOME M300S, the ultimate car recorder that captures every moment on the road with stunning clarity and precision. The AZDOME M300S is equipped with advanced technology and features that make it the perfect companion for any driver. Let's take a closer look. With its 4K plus 1080 pixels dual camera system, the AZDOME M300S records crystal clear video footage both in front of your vehicle and behind it. You'll never miss a detail, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting an incident on the road. Experience true high-definition video recording that provides sharp images and vibrant colors, allowing you to relive your journeys with unparalleled clarity. And that's not all. We've included a free 64GB DF card so you can start recording right out of the box without worrying about storage space. Capture hours of footage without interruption. Simply insert the TF card into the AZDOME M300S and you're ready to go. The AZDOME M300S boasts an impressive 800MP lens that delivers sharp and detailed images, ensuring that every frame is captured with exceptional quality. Whether it's day or night, you can rely on the AZDOME M300S to provide clear and reliable footage thanks to its advanced night vision technology. Stay connected on the road with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. The AZDOME M300S allows you to track your route and speed, providing valuable information for your journeys. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer and share your recordings using your smartphone or tablet. Control the AZDOME M300S with just your voice. Simply give commands to start or stop recording, take a snapshot, or protect important footage effortlessly, ensuring that you can keep your focus on the road ahead. Get your AZDOME M300S today and start capturing every moment on the road like never before. Introducing the Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam, the ultimate cycling accessory that combines safety and functionality like never before. The Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is not your ordinary tail light. It's a high-definition camera, a car recorder, a waterproof tail light, and a bike warning system all in one compact device. Capture every moment of your ride with its 1080p HD camera. Whether you're cycling through urban streets or exploring off-road trails, the Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam records crystal clear videos and photos, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Safety is paramount when cycling, especially during nighttime rides. With its IPX6 waterproof rating, the Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is designed to withstand any weather condition, ensuring your peace of mind even in the rainiest adventures. But that's not all. The Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam doubles as a bike warning system. Featuring multiple flash patterns, it enhances your visibility on the road, making sure that others can see you from a distance, helping prevent accidents and ensuring a safer ride for everyone. Transferring your recorded footage has never been easier. Simply connect the Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam to your computer using the provided USB cable and effortlessly transfer your videos and photos for editing or sharing with friends. The Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is designed to fit most bikes, making it a versatile accessory for cyclists of all levels. Whether you're commuting to work, going on a weekend adventure, or participating in a race, this tail light cam is your reliable companion. Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam, where safety meets innovation. Order yours now and embark on a cycling journey like no other. Introducing the revolutionary Asawin H5C 10 Rearview Mirror Dash Cam, the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this dash cam takes your driving experience to a whole new level. The Asawin H5C 10 comes equipped with dual lens cameras that capture both the front and back views simultaneously, ensuring you have a complete record of your journey. Whether you're driving through scenic landscapes or navigating busy city streets, never miss a single detail with this powerful dashcam. Say goodbye to small screens and limited visibility. With its full-screen touch IPS display, the Asawin H5C 10 provides a crystal clear view of your recordings. Easily navigate through the menu and access all the features with just a touch, making it convenient and user-friendly. Worried about your car's safety when parked? The Asawin H5C 10 has you covered. Its 24H park mode ensures continuous monitoring even when your car isn't attended. Now you can have peace of mind knowing that any incidents or accidents will be captured, providing valuable evidence if needed. The Asawin H5C 10 Rearview Mirror Dashcam is the perfect companion for every driver. Capture every moment, enhance your safety, and enjoy a hassle-free driving experience with this state-of-the-art device. Asawin H5C 10, drive with confidence. Introducing the KAWA HD Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for your car. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, the KAWA HD Dash Cam takes your driving experience to a whole new level. Let's take a closer look at what sets the KAWA HD Dash Cam apart from the rest. The KAWA HD Dash Cam records in stunning 2K 1440p HD resolution, capturing every detail on the road with exceptional clarity. Say goodbye to dark and blurry recordings. The KAWA HD Dash Cam comes equipped with advanced night vision technology, ensuring clear and sharp video footage, even in the darkest of nights. The KAWA HD Dash Cam's wide dynamic range feature adjusts exposure levels, delivering balanced and accurate recordings in both bright and dark environments. Stay focused on the road and keep your hands where they belong. With voice control, you can easily operate the KAWA HD Dash Cam using simple voice commands. Connect the KAWA HD Dash Cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and have instant access to your recorded videos, allowing you to conveniently view, download, and share your driving experiences. Protect your vehicle even when it's parked. The KAWA HD Dash Cam features a 24-hour parking mode that automatically starts recording when it detects any motion or impact, ensuring peace of mind wherever you go. Upgrade your driving experience today with the KAWA HD Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for safety, security, and peace of mind. Get your KAWA HD Dash Cam now and enjoy a safer and more connected drive. Visit our website or contact your nearest retailer. Introducing the Deelife 4K Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for every driver. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the Deelife 4K Dash Cam is revolutionizing the way we capture our journeys on the road. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities, the Deelife Dash Cam ensures that every detail of your drive is captured in stunning clarity. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes or license plate numbers, you won't miss a thing. Stay connected on the go with the Deelife 4K Dash Cam's built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you can easily access and manage your recordings anytime, anywhere. Drive with peace of mind knowing that the Deelife 4K Dash Cam acts as your reliable black box. It automatically detects and saves video clips during critical moments, such as accidents or sudden braking, ensuring that you have undeniable evidence when you need it most. Capture the entire scene with the Deelife 4K Dash Cam's wide-angle lens. Its expansive field of view ensures that you can monitor not just what's happening in front of your car, but also the surroundings, providing comprehensive coverage for your safety. Installing the Deelife 4K Dash Cam is a breeze. With its compact and user-friendly design, it seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, becoming an essential part of your driving experience. Upgrade your driving adventures with the Deelife 4K Dash Cam. Capture every moment, ensure your safety, and have peace of mind on the road. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.